If you are not on Yapping, then you are missing a lot. So guys, in this video I'm going to guide you on how you are going to yap. So ensure you watch this video till the end and do not skip any part of this video. Alright guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time seeing my video, please support me by subscribing if you haven't subscribed. Like this video, share this video, and drop your thought in the comment section. So guys, to yap you will need your Twitter account. So if you haven't created a Twitter account, then go ahead and download Twitter from your Play Store or your App Store and create your account. So what is yapping? Yapping is the process where you talk about a particular project constantly. So where are you going to yap? You are going to yap on this particular platform called Kaito. So this Kaito platform is like a decentralized platform where it rewards users who engage or interact in a particular airdrop. So to register, I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video, or you will go to your web browser and search for kaito.ai. So once you search for kaito.ai, then this is the interface. So once you come here, you are going to register. So before we proceed, go and download VPN, because without VPN you cannot access this website. So you are going to click on this icon. Then once you come here, you are going to scroll down, then you will click on sign in. You can see it here. Then it's going to take you to this interface. So once you come here, you can see sign in. So you are going to click on sign in. But if you are not tired of getting peanut like $1, then do not continue on this platform. So once you come here, you are going to sign in with your Twitter account. So here you can see it verifying. So you are going to wait patiently for it to load. So here you can see success. So you are going to click on continue. So once you click on continue, then either you sign up using your Chrome browser or you sign up using your Twitter account. So for me, I will go with my Twitter account. Then you need to authorize before clicking on sign in. So for me, I've already authorized my Twitter account. That's why it take me to this interface. So you need to try this about 2 to 3 times. Once you see this fail, you need to sign in again. So once you come here, you can see become a yapper. So you are going to click on this become a yapper. So like I said, you need to install a VPN before you can access this website or this platform. So here you can see you are now a Kaito certified yapper. So this one here is like your passport or your referral link. So you are going to read this, then you scroll down. So once you scroll down, you can see start yapping. Then you can either save this, you can see save image, you can click on it, then you will click on start yapping. Then it's going to take you to your Twitter account. So you click on just once. You can see I'm going to use my Twitter account, but you can use your Chrome browser. So once you come here, you can see this is your referral link. So if you want to invite someone to, you can copy this invite link and send it to that person. Then you click on post. Then you will now come back and click on continue. So once you click on continue, you can see join the wait list now. So you are going to click on, then it's going to take you to this place. So here you can see early bird. So once you come here, you are going to click on got it. So once you click on got it, then it's redirecting us to our account. So we have successfully created account on this Kaito platform. So once you come here, you can see my wallet, link, email, smart followers, total yaps, referral yap, and yap. So now we are going to connect our wallet by clicking on my wallet. Then here you can see that this feature is currently not supported on mobile, so I'm going to explain this later in this video. But now we are going to link our email. So once you click on link my email, then you are going to enter your email address. So once you enter your email address, then you are going to click on submit. So once you click on submit, then here you can see that a confirmation code has been sent to our email. So once you come to your email account, then you are going to copy the code. So once you copy the code, then you head back and paste that code. So now what are you going to do? How are you going to yap? So to yap, you are going to yap on your Twitter account, because now we have successfully connect our Kaito account to our Twitter account. So once you yap on Twitter, then you are going to earn your reward on this Kaito platform. So once you yap, you are going to see total yaps. So once you yap, then it's going to count, and you can see these referral yaps. So anyone that like or comment under your yap post, then you are going to earn reward too. So now you click on this icon, then you are going to click on Kaito ends. So once you click on Kaito ends, then it's going to take you to this place. So it's going to load. Then here you can see these are the list of airdrop that you can yap on. You can see if you want to know the details, then you are going to click on check details. Then you are going to read more about this particular airdrop. So for me, I'm going to scroll down. So once you scroll down, like I said, you can yap on any of these airdrops. You can see we have different airdrops here that you can participate in. You can see we have Mirror Network, so you can participate in this Mirror Network too, but their total supply to yappers is very small. So for me, I'm going to yap on this Open Ledger because their TGE is very soon and they are listing to is very soon. So I will click on check details, then it's going to take me to this place. So their reward pool to yappers is 2 million tokens, and to top 200 yappers over 6 months. So I can come here and read more about this particular project, then I'm going to participate. So it's not only to this top 200 yappers, because even though you yap, they are still going to reward you, but their main target is top 200 yappers. So you will come back, then you are going to click on this icon. You can see yappers leaderboard. So once you click on it, then it's going to take you to this place. So once you come here, you can see we have the pre-TGE and we have the post TGE. So what this pre-TGE means is that these are the list of airdrop that are yet to list. So once you come here, you can see we have Blessed Network and we have some airdrop here that are yet to get listed. So you can come here, choose any airdrop of your choice and participate in. And once you click on this post TGE, then these are the list of airdrop that have already listed their tokens, and their tokens is tradable on exchanges. So you can come here too and participate. They are still going to reward you with their tokens, but these are the one that we want to participate, this pre-TGE. So for me, I'm going to participate in this Open Ledger. So you click on it, then it's going to take you to this place. So once you come here, you need to solve this captcha by clicking on begins. Then you are going to solve this captcha. You can see choose all the bags. So you are going to choose all the bags, then you click on confirm. Then here you can see that is correct. success. So now it has redirected us to the open ledger dashboard. So once you come here, you are going to scroll down. So once you scroll down, then these are the list of top 100 yappers. So I'm going to choose any one of these top yappers, and then I'm going to engage, or let me say I'm going to interact with him. So you can come here too, and then you can choose anyone, but for me I'm going to go with this first person. Then this is his dashboard. So once you come here, you are going to read more about this person. You can see that this person has been in this yapping for over a year now. You can see 1 year, 6 months, 3 months, 1 month, 7 days. So you will click on this icon, then it's going to take us to his Twitter account. So now I'm going to show you how you are going to yap and how you are going to interact. So I'm following him, and then here you can see that he has been talking about this layer edge airdrop. So I'm going to comment on this particular post. So I will just write something like good, then I'm going to click on post. You can write anything of your choice, make sure it's a good review. Then you will now come back. Once you post, you will now come back. But before we continue, let us connect our wallet. So once you come to your dashboard, then you are going to click on my wallet. Then once you come here, you are going to turn it to a desktop mode or a desktop site. Then you can see we have the link wallet and we have inputted wallet. So this link wallet is where you are going to connect it either to your Phantom wallet or your MetaMask wallet. Any wallet here, or OKS, you can connect it to this wallet. And we have this inputted wallet where you are going to copy your Ethereum address or your Solana address. So guys, click on this icon, then click on airdrops. So once you click on airdrop, then this is where it's going to take you to. So once you come here, if you are eligible for any airdrop, then this is where you are going to see your allocation. Then from here you will claim it either to your Phantom wallet or your OKS wallet or your MetaMask wallet. So now you are going to click on the icon again, then you click on this icon. So once you click on this icon, then this is where it's going to take you to. So I've already explained this earlier in this video, like you can participate in any airdrop. So to know how to yap, make sure you join my WhatsApp community, because in this WhatsApp community I'll be guiding you on how you are going to yap and what you are going to post. So subscribe.